Now I'm discussing about VMware uh, with the labs. Actually, if you want to do lab practicals in home involvement, any other ways, it's a VMware is a cloud technologies. It's a totally high need, high-end memory and RAM, everything. If you don't need to this type of resources, if you don't have available resources, you have only your laptop or desktop using to how to create a VMware visualization lab and how to do your practical whatever things and resources, how to you have to access the resources and how to create a VMware lab account, free account. And now I'm discussing about this right now. Let's get into the video. First of all, this is a website called labs.hol.vmware.com. First of all, going to this website, it is called a VMware official website for the practical need. If you don't have home resources like a high-end RAM and other things, after opening this page, this look like appearing like this. If you want to do any lab, first of all, you have to create one registration account on this. I have already created this account. First, I am trying to go to login on this right now. Yes, page is login going on. There is a lot of stuff in there, environments, labs, and transport. Actually, I have some labs are done previously. I don't have. Actually, now I'm telling you, I don't have a high-end RAM, high-end graphic card, high-end laptop also. I'm using very low-end graphic card, RAM, and everything, every stuff. It is a totally free visualization labs. First of all, if you want to do lab practicals in your home or any other way, any you are not able to do not purchase the RAM, purchase the resources right now currently. At that time, you have to use this lab very helpful for the uh, your practical need. This is only for practical need. We don't have not able we don't have we are not able to upgrade any resources. This is only for practical oriented only. Uh, right now, already I'm created. I'm login with my account. First of all, I am going to log in. It is a one type of lab environment. What exactly is given? This is a visualization operation manager, and second lab it is quick introduction to VMware Network Instead Lighting Lab. What is the content? And thirdly, VMware NXT Lab Lighting. If you want to, what type of lab you want to need, you have to type that VMware 6.6.7. There is no resources. Right now I have to whisper SP required. Right now I am trying to get some any resources, but I can't able to find anything right now. I have to log in this lab in visual environment. If we click on this, it will be automatically open. Start this lab. The lab will be automatically starting. First of all, you have to run the test result. Or you have to click, if you high bandwidth, you have to click start lab. Next, it will be going to checking what starting the lab session, how to we have to take, how do. This is the other stuff, how to this lab use, lab overview, whatever things. This is a lab console. This is a main thing we have to extend the time. This is a lab environment. If you want to extend this lab, you have to extend. The file will be increasing. Every lab will be totally free of cost. You have to try to utilize this lab for lab involvement.